want to tell you a little bit about what we're doing to achieve permanent preservation of Nantucket Sound. So the Alliance, along with many stakeholders, such as commercial fishermen, tribal entities, towns on Cape Cod, Nantucket, and Martha's Vineyard, have banded together to try to promote federal legislation called the Nantucket Sound National Historic Landmark Act. And this is important because, as you can see from this map, Nantucket Sound is split into two jurisdictions. The darker blue waters in the center of Nantucket Sound are federal waters under control of the federal government, while the light blue waters, which form a ring 3 miles out from the shorelines of Cape Cod, Martha's Vineyard, and Nantucket, are controlled by the state and actually are protected waters. So the Nantucket Sound National Historic Landmark Act would do three things. It would improve the consistency between the federal control and state control by basically limiting federal actions to only those that would be consistent with the protections and safeguards that already exist under state law. The second thing it would do would be to designate Nantucket Sound as a National Historic Landmark. It's the highest level of historic protection possible. And finally, during the whole drafting of the bill and the outreach process and speaking with stakeholders and supporters and building a coalition of support, we've revised and strengthened the bill. So it's a very comprehensive bill, with the third piece being addressing and identifying other environmental threats to Nantucket Sound. So not just industrial development in the federal waters, but things like coastal erosion, depletion in fish stocks, habitat degradation, and decreases or diminishing water quality.